does it all. It just doesn't get any better. This space is simply super in every aspect. One of the finest cars around. You won't believe what you get for the money. This noteworthy vehicle, with its grippy AWD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road: ABS, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, front fog driving lights. It is nicely equipped: power moonroof, navigation, leather seats, power door locks, power windows. Thank you for choosing Iowa's #1 Ford dealer. Most vehicles qualify for our exclusive Gave Us Advantage, which includes oil changes for life and engines for life. Ask a salesperson for details. We are locally owned and have been serving as a Ford dealer for over 50 years. For more information on our vehicles, or to schedule a test drive, call 1-800-934-2287. We look forward to helping you with all your automotive needs.